back to today's video. So today we are it's part 5 of going camping again. This is the last part, I promise. And Lacey doesn't want to play anymore, but we're getting her percentage. Hurry up, Dad. Okay, I'm gonna guess you got like a 65.